Worxwide works for you.
Did you know that you can automate up to 70% of your B2B sales process? If your sales reps are still manually prospecting, chasing follow-ups and playing calendar ping pong, you're leaving money on the table, a lot of it. Hello, I am Mohit. Today I will show you how to automate your 70% of your B2B sales funnel using platforms like Salesforce Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Salesworks.ai and a few other tools that will cut down your sales pipeline time significantly. The goal of this exercise is not to remove human from the process, but rather free up your human resources by getting rid of repetitive tasks from their plate. Now let's talk about the manual tasks in your funnel to onboard your prospects. Every sales funnel starts with you finding a lead. Then you message them on multiple channels, you follow up. Integrate your income leads, all flowing into your CRM, then you track it in your CRM, then you book a meeting, you follow up again. There are around 6 to 8 touch points per person across hundreds of leads. B2B sales cycles are really getting longer, buying times are growing, and attention spans are shrinking. By automating this entire process, you can cut down the time taken till you get the leads on call by 70%. Automation gives you speed and personalization at scale. Let's see how typical sales funnel looks like and how we can automate it. We also call it full funnel sales automation, right? So in the sales funnel, we have tofu, mofu and bofu. So let's start with tofu, which is top of the funnel. Salesforce Agentforce pulls enriched prospect data directly into your CRM and no CSVs, no manual sync required. You can integrate your inbound channels like LinkedIn ads, Google ads, and organic website leads to flow automatically into your CRM and get auto follow-ups done. In the middle of the funnel, once you have prospects, nurturing them to take to the next session is very crucial. So rather than being generic in emails which don't work anymore, or I can say cold emails are dead, hence you can use your modern AI-based nurturing tools to perform omni-channel sequencing smartly. In bottom of the funnel, you can leverage your existing CRM systems or implement new ones and enhance your legacy systems with AI agents to let them act on your behalf rather than just data. You can also refer to our white paper, by the way, AI-led CRM systems, how AI is transforming legacy CRM systems. Once you've nurtured the leads, it's time to take up to the next step. Setting up calls with your teams, sending them proposals, all that you can done automatically. By the way, all this can be stitched together in one journey, which we are going to see going forward. Now let's start with the first step, lead generation and prospecting. So we start with prospecting. The first step in automating your sales process is sourcing and syncing high quality leads without manual input from your sales team. So tools like Apollo, Zoom Info, there are so many tools available to integrate your leads directly into Salesforce. Your team can automatically pull in leads that match your ICP, which is your ideal customer profile, and keep your CRM updated in real time. This removes the need for manual leads uploads or fragmented outreach lists. Once lead flows into Salesforce or Agentforce, that takes over receiving and organizing these leads into real time. It ensures that they are immediately ready for scoring, nurturing, and follow-ups by your reps. This seamlessly integration means your sales team starts every day with a pipeline full of qualified and up-to-date leads without lifting a finger. So that was prospecting. Now let's talk about nurturing, lead nurturing, right, which is very important. Now there are tools available like Salesworks.ai or Salesforce Marketing Cloud and so many others, which let you run intelligent omnichannel sequences across email, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and other channels based on real-time behavior of your prospects. With hyper-personalized messaging using AI, you can ensure that no two prospects are getting the same messaging. It is super hyper-personalized. So here is how it works. Your team defines the ICP and starts a campaign. The sequence will create hyper-personalized omnichannel messaging across email, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and more. The content that will be sent out to prospects will be personalized basis the users' LinkedIn profiles, internet news, company annual reports, and many more data points which AI will actually read and analyze for you. Not just that, the sequence get optimized smartly basis user engagement and behavior. For example, email open rates, website visits, LinkedIn responses, and many more. Right? By the way, you can also use some other tools like Dripify, Velexi for LinkedIn automation, and there are tools like AI SDR, Instantly, which are available in the market for omni-channel automation if you are not using Salesforce currently at the moment. Now let's talk about lead scoring, which is the most important aspect in your sales journey, how your prospects are behaving and engaging with you. So in Salesforce or Agentforce, It automatically scores the prospect basis the intent. For example, they are visiting the pricing page, engagement, for example, email, open rate, click rates. Then leads, get an AI score between 0 to 100, which are visible in your CRM system, right? There are features like next best action recommendations also, like Einstein suggests context aware actions like scheduling a product demo, sending a quote, or bringing in a technical expert. This keeps the deal moving and ensures reps are not guessing what to do next. Rather, your CRM system is smart enough to tell you what to do next. That is the beauty of AI or agent force in Salesforce, right? Okay, now the next is website. That is your most important channel for communication for you. After you outreach your sequence, chances are your potential leads will go to your website to check you out, right? So most of the time, they will be coming to your website on your different pages to scroll your information, right? Now you can use tools like Drift or custom AI bots, which are built on Agentforce to greet visitors and pre-qualify leads to capture visitor information directly on your website and push it into your CRM as new leads. When a user is ready, these bots hand off the conversation to a live sales rep in real-time manner. Now, the next step could be demo booking, and when a prospect is ready to meet, you can use Calendly integration to eliminate the back and forth of letting them book meetings, right? So you can use tools like Calendly, and they have so many others. The next step will be proposals, right? Or deal management. When a customer shows interest, they will ask for proposals from you. So when a lead is ready, you can actually automate the entire proposal process also to an extent through tools like PandaDoc or responsive.io. If you are dealing with large RFPs, then I would suggest you can use tools like responsive.io, which can reduce turnaround time of your proposal significantly and can be easily integrated with CRM tools like Salesforce. Now, to ensure a smooth handoff and accountability across departments, it is essential that we track progress in real-time manner. So for example, by setting up shared dashboards using a task management platform, you can give your sales, legal, and delivery teams a single source of truth. These dashboards can automatically pull in relevant data from deal stages to contract reviews and display milestones and blockers in a centralized view. Now, the next is key account management, right? That is very important, that how do you track and manage your large and key accounts? So you can automate and manage your high priority key accounts with AI at ease now. For example, unified customer timeline. All your emails, meetings, support tickets, campaign interactions, and internal notes all can be automated in one single journey of that particular account. This gives sales reps and account managers full context of the account at one place. So that can be a conversational journey, you can say. Now, next is the post-sales handoff in the journey, right? Now, to maintain momentum, you can automate the hands-off from sales to onboarding, ensuring your internal teams are notified instantly and know exactly what to do next, right? For example, how it works is when a customer signs up or books a call, maybe via tools like Calendly or Google Forms, your onboarding team can get an immediate Slack or team message, so nothing is missed, right? So that handover is very seamless to human agents, I mean the sales reps, right, where they can actually make a decision what to do next. At the same time, a task is automatically created in your project management tool like Worxwide or Monday.com, and there are so many others. Even Slack has those capabilities. So far we have seen how we can automate the entire sales journey. Now what stays manual? Relationship building, complex negotiations, strategy and pricing decisions, and custom enterprise deals. For example, if you deal with large RFPs. So I would conclude to say that you can modernize your CRM system and automate 70% of your sales funnel today because sales has changed. Prospects don't want to be pitched. They want personalized, meaningful interactions. And what do our salespeople want? They want more sales time to sell, less time buried in spreadsheets. That's all for today. If you need any help around GTM consulting, CRM implementation, or AI-led sales automation, consult Worxwide. Thank you.
Worxwide works for you.